Here I have Motorola Moto E6i, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So firstly you should select preferred language. I'll just stay with English, then tap start. Then you can connect to the mobile network by inserting SIM card, but if you don't have it on you can just skip this step and do this later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any open Wi-Fi network around you can just set up device offline and connect later. Then you have to set up date and time. Then I suggest you to disable these Google services, tap accept. Then you can set up screen lock, but you can also just skip this step and do this later in settings. Then tap accept and continue. Then tap, then remove this switcher here, tap next. Then remove switcher here, tap next. And device is ready to be used. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.